at-home test kits for COVID-19 have helped reduce the long queues for PCR testing we saw at the beginning of the pandemic.
That transition is really a very quick example of what we're hoping to do with many other diseases.
Associate Professor Craig Priest is out to achieve some very big things using some very small devices. The nano and micro materials he's helping to develop here at the University of South Australia's Future Industries Institute have a variety of applications, but the health sector is one of the most obvious.
If we're able to streamline and speed up and reduce costs of healthcare and health sensing using these smart devices, smart structures, smart surfaces, then we actually are putting healthcare in the hands of the population to be able to respond more quickly to diseases, just like we've tried to do with COVID over the last few years.
In other words, rather than people needing to visit a clinic to test for things such as cancer, smart devices could soon make the process as simple as cleaning your teeth at home.
The extreme case of that's something that's spinning out of the Regional Collaborations Program is actually a collaboration with NASA, where we're looking at polymers and microfluidic devices to be able to not just sense in cities or remote Australia, but in fact we'd like to be able to look at astronaut health.
Associate Professor Priest talks about collaboration a lot. That's because these types of innovations require support from different experts in different parts of the world. His team works closely with industry groups in Japan.
You know, we often talk about industry as the real world, and in a sense it is. They are under time pressure, they are under technology pressure, they are on market pressure. They give a reality to the research that we do.
Regional collaborations also strengthen the knowledge base of his own team, creating endless possibilities.
I'm also excited about taking those technologies into areas where people have not explored fully, because I think there's a lot to gain for our society if we do that.